Heart of smart manufacturing lies the concept of the industrial brain, a centralized AI-powered system that connects and controls all aspects of the factory floor. This brain leverages technologies like the Internet of Things, edge computing, and knowledge graphs to collect and analyze data from every machine, sensor, and process within the factory.
This real-time data analysis allows manufacturers to optimize their operations in ways never before possible. By identifying bottlenecks, predicting equipment failures, and automatically adjusting production parameters, manufacturers can significantly improve efficiency, reduce downtime, and enhance overall productivity. The way we learn is changing, and AI is driving this transformation. From personalized learning platforms to AI-powered tutors, the education landscape is being reshaped by the power of intelligent systems.
One of the most significant impacts of AI on learning is the rise of personalized learning experiences. AI algorithms can analyze a student's learning style, strengths, and weaknesses, tailoring the curriculum and pacing to their individual needs. This ensures that each student receives the support they need to succeed, fostering a more engaging and effective learning environment.
Moreover, AI is playing a crucial role in automating administrative tasks, freeing up educators to focus on what they do best, teaching. From grading assignments to providing personalized feedback, AI is streamlining the educational process, allowing teachers to dedicate more time and energy to their students. The rise of AI is raising important questions about the future of work. As machines become increasingly sophisticated, many fear that robots will replace human workers, leading to widespread job displacement. However, while some jobs may be automated, AI is also creating new opportunities and transforming the nature of work itself.
The key to thriving in this new world of work lies in adaptability and a willingness to embrace lifelong learning. As AI takes over routine tasks, human workers will need to focus on developing skills that machines cannot replicate, such as creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence.
The future of work is not about humans versus machines, but about humans and machines working together. By embracing AI as a tool for augmentation rather than replacement, we can create a future where humans and machines collaborate to achieve unprecedented levels of productivity and innovation.